here with Seth. Yep, got Seth right there, and we're at this golf course right off this trail. And we're going like taking pictures and stuff, but I want to kind of take some video with the drone as well. It's actually pretty nice out, so we're gonna fly, and let's do it. Let's stop talking. Let's fly. Them grounding situations like you've never seen before. Look at that. Look at this lightning rod. Basically what's happening right now is we're kind of just scouting out where we're going to fly. There's some cool stuff over there, over there, and then over here. So we're kind of figuring out what is going to be optimal for photos and flying. Look at that. It's just like a little spot of like extreme brightness. Look at this. Look at this. Just come on. Seriously. Like, how could you not want this doping? I have to take some sick pictures. Here we go. We're in here warming up because we've been biking for a while. It's just like a small little stairwell, basically. I'm gonna set up and then we're gonna fly and do some cruising, some small dives and whatnot. So here, let's go. Don't know, I'm still checking out the spot. We have checked the people, and we should be fine on the people situation. And oh wait, there's another parking garage. Kind of want to. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! All right, here we go. Let's go. Let's fly.
Just know. Just know. Just know that I've missed you so. But it's a shame that I'm caught up in my own shit with the cash flow. But you know I'll still say hello. I've been so sleepless, a little too high, a little too reckless. Love in my life, but the thought it still drifts like a memory. Think that's exactly where the end begins. It was over when I let vanity win. When you asked where I've been, when the money came in. It was over when I let everything go. When I needed less room, when you needed me more. But I love the way you love me, and I'm sorry, but it's all about the money. I love the way you love me, and I'm sorry, but it's all about the money. Everything I do, you know I do it for the money. Everything I say, I only say it for the money. Everything is everything when everything is money. 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 So go, let me show you to the door. But will you stop me, try and fight me in my own home like a heavy price tag? My God, look what happened to the critic. The only one left is the voice inside my head saying watching you forever and pretending that you're dead. But the rule, don't you forget it, that goodbyes, I see you later. So say fuck it, with the paper, but a check for all the haters. It was over when I let vanity win. When you asked where I've been, when the money came in. It was over when I let everything go. When I needed less room, when you needed me more. But I love the way you love me, and I'm sorry, but it's all about the money. I love the way you love me, and I'm sorry, but it's all about the money. Everything I do, you know I do it for the money. Everything I say, I only say it for the money. Everything is everything when everything is money. Money.
Okay. Wait, maybe I should go this way. That way I've got light on my face. Oh wow, it actually is not that bad. The lighting. Thanks for watching. Kind of the hand warmer. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I do this every week. And if you want to check out my Instagram, I do like pictures and stuff up there. And it's a lot more recent stuff. So thank you for watching. And we'll see you guys next time. Peace. I'm only happy when it rains.